Good morning, students. Uh, Earlier, I have complete the content classification of directive principle. Now, there is a principle related to international peace and security. Key to maintain just honorable relation with between nations. Ki our country there is also a good relation should be there with other countries, other world countries. Okay, this one is also mentioned in directive principle of state policy. Ki our good relation should be there. If you know about that, there is a conflict between China and India on Ladakh. Okay, there Walan Valley. Okay, and other country ready to give us support, but our country try to maintain the good relation. If China attack on us, on that our country will attack on them. Okay, it means कि we want कि there should be a relation, good relation should be there, and to promote internet. If also you know about that कि if there will be peace in the world, then your world can progress. Our country can progress if there is a peace and security in our neighboring countries and in own country. There will be a good relation with the other neighboring countries also. Then we can live with peace and security provided by your country. Okay, mean ki there should be a good relation with your other countries, and peace we are going to try a peace and security, maintain, promote international peace and security. Okay, you know about that our country always try to do very well to maintain the peace and security in the world. Okay, and your second one is your there earlier we have done that, but I also want to revise again this chapter with you. Ki right education has become a fundamental right. In 2002, it was decided that ki there should be given the right to children below the age of 14 years. Okay, all have the right to obtain the education. They have the right to obtain the education, not to do the work. Nobody can exploit them, the children below the age of 14 years. Okay, they have the right to education. And in 11th duty, they also said to you that it is the duty of your parents to provide the education to you people. Okay, below the age of 14, and now they are going to take 16 years up to plus 2 they are able to do anything. Okay, if they got the education up to plus 2, after that they will take any type of job, do any type of work, but not below the age of 14. Okay, and Environment Protection Act and Wildlife Protection Act have been passed. And what is in this, कि why they are going to, because they also want to if our environment is not good, polluted environment, then how we can survive? It is very tough for us to survive in a polluted environment. That's why government has passed a act. Okay, and wildlife, if our wildlife finished day by day, so then how our ecological balance should be there. We also want ecological balance. Each and everything should be a balanced manner. Okay, one national commission also set up for the welfare of women if they are exploited by someone. They are your national commission for women welfare always work for the betterment of women. And right to work has there implemented for rural employment under Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Act in 2005, October 2005 they have implemented. And also they gain the new name give to Narega is Manrega in 2nd Feb 2006. Okay, कि everyone have the right to work. And this one in rural area you have seen everyone, those who are not got the government job and private job, they are still idle at home doing any agriculture activity. So then they government provide them the work, some work. Okay. And next your sectoralism is, yeah, you know about the sectoralism. Okay, thank you beta.